ship. We're almost ready to step on the Paradise at any moment.
All right.
Yes, and I'll put a spell on you.
It's been a while since we've been on this ship.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah, like 3 weeks.
Oh, gosh, I spell. No.
All right, we'll see you on the ship.
Bye-bye.
So this is what happens when you come later. The line, even the gangway's full.
Back up.
Backed up. So we're not going to bring you the gangway. It'll take too long.
Yeah, are you connected to the Wi-Fi? Okay, so all you need to do is go into your settings and just connect to Carnival Paradise Wi-Fi.
Where are we going, babe?
Where we go, we're here in the mustard drill. We've already been in the cabin, dropped off the bags. Now we're here, and then we're going to be up on Lido deck on this beautiful day.
It's been 45 seconds. We're usually done by now.
We're slowing down, Pop.
See it up on deck. Whoa, bright lily fun. Not too crazy yet. Uh-oh. What we got in the pool? Uh-oh. I hope it's not code brown. There's only been one guy in it that I've seen. All right, so they're closing the pool. I think we got a code brown. Code brown. I really don't know. I'm just guessing. But they're closing the pool already. The pool is officially closed. We haven't even made it out of the terminal yet. Why are you so upset?
I'm so mad.
She's so mad.
They took out my lucky machine.
These were the dragons, the little dragons, and they took them out. And now it's fortune frenzy. How do you feel about that, Terry?
I still feel lucky because I'm going to get them back. I'm going to win some money.
No, I hope I feel lucky.
Yes.
All right, come on, babe. I'm going to show you some more changes.
Okay.
I can't believe they took our dragons out. You know why? Because people are probably winning on them. So Terry said she might be playing this. These are new as well. Look at all the majors. They're, I mean, so close. 848.76, 848.04, and 856.05. That's close. And this is the mariachi. Now we were just on here 3 weeks ago, and these were not 2 weeks ago actually, and these were not here. So they took out. I can't remember what they took out here, but I'll look it up. All right, so mariachi Fortune's Trio by AGS. All right, so Terry was a little upset, but if you look, these are called Horus.
They got the little pots.
But if you see, they're pretty much just like the little dragon machines.
Yeah.
So she'll probably win, because she always wins on these. Right. She'll probably play these.
Yeah.
We don't know what those are because they're blacked out. But all right, and remember, this machine is temporarily disabled. It's the only way you can win. my baby. Look at your little hat. So there's a lot of dogs on here. I don't know what the deal is, but it's about the fourth or fifth one we've seen. Must be a dog race.
breakfast, and now we're going to dinner. Let's go.
I didn't have anything
I'm
for
hungry.
lunch.
I'm starving.
All right. See you there.
Bye.
Bring you that menu right about.
Now.
This phone, you guys exercise.
You got all on.
It's like a sunk boat or something. Looked like a sunk boat. Small boat. That's what it looked like. Right by the dolphin.
Oh, there's the bridge.
Yeah, there's the break. Oh, this is early. Normally it's 2 hours.
Yeah, it's like
2 hours and 2
5:40.
minutes.
We left her around.
Well, he was.
All right, my first appetizer, roasted tomato soup. Terry got
Yeah, well, usually it's an entree. That's
salad.
the Cobb salad.
Is that the Cobb salad?
Yeah. Usually
Cobb
it's
salad,
good.
and I got
It's
chicken
good
and
too,
rice. Terry got the little baby burger,
Yep.
and I got the Cornish game hen.
Have y'all been on a Venezia yet?
All right, Terry
I'll
got
probably-
cheesecake
I already had mine now.
Oh, I didn't want to take it out because I don't want to sit down.
and a fruit plate.
I know. Why don't you take it
It's that time. It's that time, and she still got her hat on.
I got my hat on so I can
Ow.
when I want to. Yes. There you go.
Happy Halloween.
Ah,
It's not Halloween, but
It's not
close.
Halloween, but this is our Halloween happy crew.
Correct.
Yeah, so we wore orange shirts.
Yep.
And now it's almost my bedtime because I'm getting nervous.
We didn't get no sleep last night. Went to a party till like 11. Came
Oh,
home.
I did.
Watched football till 2 a.m.
He did. I stayed up and watched Beach Truck Properties.
She did. And that's what she likes about Carnival because she can go watch HGTV.
I love Carnival's TV. We have a nice room. Everybody here, our friends that are the servers that we saw before, they're here. We're
And
happy
they're all
to see
leaving
them.
in
And we
22
brought up
days.
some candy.
Yep.
They love candy.
They love candy.
I like candy too.
Yeah. I had a girlfriend named Candy one time.
Was your name Candy?
And she really was. She was Candy.
Her name was Candy?
Yeah. And she had red hair.
I didn't know about this girlfriend.
Same reason I didn't know you lived with a guy. Oh.
All right, take that off now.
No, you didn't know Candy.
I
I was like 15. You're
I
okay.
know candy, but I know I like candy, but it's not the same candy.
Yeah, we're not going any
No.
further with this.
Because I don't
All right.
even like candy.
Right. Well, go ahead and take a sip.
Candy. I never heard of this candy before.
Oh boy. All right. We're boring people.
You brought it up.
All right. Anyway,
All right,
so
there's more to this story.
all right, we'll talk about it. Okay, I'll bring you a
There's
report
more
tomorrow.
To the story about Candy. I'm going to find out who she is.
Those are so good. All
Oh,
right, so we're going to talk about candy. I was going to say something, but I'm not.
I want to know more about Candy.
All right, we'll talk about candy. Okay. All right. We'll be back.
Uh-huh.
See you. Tomorrow's a sea day, by the way. All right, making our way to Cozumel. Oh, and by the way, this is a back-to-back again. So we're staying on, going to Cozumel twice. That'll make 61 times, I
All
think.
right, we love Cozumel.
Yep. All right.
We love Cozumel.
See you.
Bye.
Say bye.
Good night.
Say hi to Candy.
I'm still talking.
Starting off good. Starting off good. Got 54 spins.